MODELMIND72 coming at you with the 2017 January Chevy Cheeseburger top 10 list entry. This is the 1969 Chevy Camaro Yinko SC 427 coupe. This is going to be the video portion. There will be some photos mixed in with this video, so make sure if you're a judge to watch the whole video. Basically, we got 69 Yinko Camaro here in a pearl white with a gold tint clear over a pearl white base. Just absolutely immaculate paint. Flat black hood. Blacked out the front end. We got the blue dot tail lights and the blue light fog lights. Over the torque thrust, 2 wheels, marker lights detailed, door handles. We got tail lights. The interior is flat black with orange cloth inserts. Got pictures of all that at the end of the video. I'll just give you an inside camera the best we can, but look at the photos. This is an undercarriage shot here. Got a flat black chassis with gloss testers orange accents. So that's the underside of the car. The engine compartment is where we spent a lot of time in the engine. This car was built as a commission build. Lots and lots and lots and lots of scratch build parts in there. I do have plenty of photos. Please be sure to check the photos out. This is a 427, and it does have a twin turbo. Yes, I said a twin turbo setup in there. It's very crammed in there, but it's all in there. Look at the pictures. You can see a lot better. Just kind of give you an idea. One turbo is right here, and the other turbo is actually in here under the alternator, between the alternator and the battery bracket. It's all piped up. Like I say, a lot of scratch build parts, wired, spark plug wires, everything. Just immaculate engine. This is the CNM Camaro, and it is going to be entered in the Chevy Cheeseburger Top 10 2017 January entry. So be sure to check out the photos. Look at that paint. I mean, it's just absolutely immaculate. Pearl white with a gold tint gloss clear coat over the white pearl. It's just it just came out absolutely amazing. Like I say, black interior with the orange cloth inserts. Wonderful Camaro. Beautiful, beautiful car. Alright, so good luck to everybody that's entering in this build off. MODELMIND72 over and out.